because now it's all wrinkled, like my forehead.
Oh, damn. Okay. Not very graceful. Oh, shit. Oh, right, metal. Y'all, I'm about to be able to recommend this to you, I think. Moment of truth, y'all. People said if it's sticky, you literally just...
These are cute. What the kit comes with is your manual. A 100-gram bottle of this. What is this? I guess this is probably like a little curing mat. Okay, this is cute. It's tiny, but I mean, it's cute. Let's see, what are you, sir? Oh, this is probably the little, okay, that's cute. Little mixer and scraper for here. Okay, so they have different heads. Then this one has an angled and then a flat.
Get off of my blade, sir. Hello, sir. Let go. You're being clingy. Get up. Stop it.
And then that is the charging block. Oh my goodness, you are a tiny little thing. Okay, look at her. She's a little, she's like a baby, look. Now they do have a bigger light, so if I end up loving this, this is 5 inches across, 2.5 inches this way, and I'll probably just go back and get the other light. Hello, sir. Hello. It probably has to be plugged in. Oop. Where is, oh, I was about to be like, where are your legs?
Why are you so cute?
I don't want to blind anybody, but you guys can see. It's different rotations, like 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 150 seconds. I kind of wish that that mat wasn't rolled up in there because now it's all wrinkled, like my forehead. That's what it comes with. These 2 little plastic fingers, your little Barbie bowls, and that. And of course, the user manual and a pair of gloves. But I'm excited because the ability to cure instantly as opposed to having to wait for it to set up, I'm just over that. And plus, you don't have to mix it because mixing epoxy is, yeah, no, I don't love it. All right, let me go play with this. Let me show you.
Little homie cure. Oh, damn. Okay. And I'm gonna coat the whole back, little bake, and then I'm gonna add the magnet. Right, my friend, in there. Okay, that was not very graceful. Oh, shit. Oh, right, metal. No. I'm getting excited. Y'all, I'm about to be able to recommend this to you, I think. Moment of truth, y'all. Oh, okay.
Let's go stick it to the fridge.
Okay, now, we know it works for that.
Yes. Let's make a bigger project.
It's also cool because like you could mix in multiple colors and do multiple layers. All right, let's do it again. People said if it's still sticky, which this is definitely sticky. Y'all can see my fingers sticking to it. The other one wasn't like that. So maybe it's just because how like thick it is. People said if it's sticky, you literally just put it in a glass of water, but it has to be see-through, okay? Because otherwise, obviously, same thing. Won't cure. We shall see. All right, let us see. Oh hell, I think it's true. Hold up. Oh damn, guys, it's true. If you just put it in there, look. Oh, crazy. It's not sticky anymore. Okay, well that works. Yeah, this is revolutionary. I can now do projects that used to take days. I'll be able to do them in a few minutes.